Hello and good morning. Thank you for joining Mornings with Megan. I'm here with Harvey and Gracie on the sofa. And so I've been doing this thing. I've been doing a deep dive on ostomy content lately. And here's what I keep finding. So there are two camps. There are these incredibly brave ostomates making real content, but almost all of it is from third person. And then there are these clinical videos that are made by professionals that are so sterile, they barely resemble what you actually deal with in your own bathroom every day. It's like not real life at all. Sometimes they even use anatomy aprons. It's weird. Anyway, I honor both communities, but I feel like people need to see what it looks like from a real person's perspective. And it's this huge gap. And so I'm going to fill the gap. So in my bathroom, with my ostomy, with my irrigation, with changing the bag, with all of the things from my point of view. And you may be wondering why I'm going to do this. And I'm going to do this because I don't want anybody to ever feel shame or embarrassment or being afraid of their own body. That's a horrible place to be. And I can help with some of that, at least for ostomates. And so I'm going to. So for me, this is how mining my light looks. And I'm hoping that this will serve as an example and provide all sorts of help and assistance to ostomates, new ostomates, old ostomates, young ostomates, old ostomates. I don't care who you are. Learning how to handle a colostomy is a process, and there could be better information. And so I'm just trying to help. Okay, thanks so much. Cheers to the day.